So let's get back to the project of the pallets. Oh, silly girl. Good morning, gang. Welcome back to Crazy Life Homestead. I'm Mo. Let's see if we can come up with a better quality video than we did yesterday. That was pretty awful. I was putting that together and I was like, this is ridiculous. I can't believe I actually put this thing out. But it is what it is, so we're going to go with it. Again, I'm still learning how to use this camera. Any pointers, you guys comment down below because I'd love to hear it. So the horses are out sunning themselves. And Greg and I have come to the conclusion that the fat piglet over here has foundered. It's too much protein, and she was stealing all the food from the old mare. Again, we didn't have a way to control that situation with her being out on 4 acres and no shelter and all that kind of stuff. So that's what's going on. It's going to take some time for that to clear out of her system. You know, it may take 6 months, but she'll be fine. You know, she's got her supplements and she's got, you know, a new diet. So Mr. Duke over here is not going to let her get his feed. There is another mare. I told you guys the other day that there's another mare that's out in the field where those other 2 horses were. So he's out listening to her. All right, so let's get back to the project of the pallets. Since I get to play hooky today at work, not really hooky, it's VTO, volunteer time off. I'm going to go back and get the T-post pounded into the ground, and we're going to start making those compost bins over on the side back here. So let's go take a walk. So here's the garage. Here's the back of the house. And here's the fence area that we're actually thinking about taking down. So I have 3 packs of T-posts. There's one there. Oh, there's a hole. And there's 2 here. Let's go clean that stuff up first. Let's go get the 6-inch saw and start whacking away at that. I have my 6-inch trusty saw. I have another battery that's charging. We're headed back there. We're going to start cleaning up that area back there where those pallets were that we put up there the other day. So let's get started on that. Okay, so I took some clothes off because it's starting to warm up out here. There's a nice breeze. It's about, the phone is saying, come here, phone. 60 degrees out. Okay, so as you can see, I've made a mess. That's nothing unusual. And the chain came off of the chainsaw bar. So I've got to go fix that. We still got some to do. I want to get this debris out of here. And this branch, whatever's down that, get that falling off there. But I've made some progress. Again, just some debris. So as for now, that's all I have. We are going to keep you updated on the pallet project. I have to get the chain. I have another chain, so I'm going to put that on the chainsaw bar. When that does occur for the next day, we'll get that done. We'll continue on with that project little by little. I'm in no hurry. Again, I'm not going to kill myself for all these little projects that are going on. And we will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for hanging out with us today. You guys stay safe, stay out of trouble, and we'll catch you on the next one.